Hi and welcome back to another Python video. In this video, I'll show you how to create vintage analysis. So we will be starting with this data view, and then we'll start creating some plots by giving it a figure size and some X and Y labels. We would create the end date and the start date based on the date that's existing in that particular table. So the vintage analysis usually is plotting each 5 or each 10 years together. So this will show you how the production is declining over time. We will create a loop that ranges from the start date to the end date, and then we'll increase it with an increment of 5. So this will give us a vintage of 5 years. We will create a from and to variables. So this will be used to filter out the data frame, so we can get the effective date range based on the desired vintage time frame. And once we do that, now it's time to actually filter out the data frame. So we will type data frame filtered. It's going to be filtered from 2. And then we will do some simple plotting. We will use line plot. So data frame will set index to the x-axis, and we will set the gas volume to the y-axis. We will set a label, and of course we will activate the legend and the grid as well. So thank you so much for watching us, and tune in for more.